Hello, hi guys. Good afternoon, good evening. Okay, today I want to teach you how to install staadpro 2004 software. Okay, first of all, you go to this folder staadpro. As you can see on my wallpaper, there's a staadpro 2004 folder. Double click on it. Okay, as you can see here, there's a bin folder, crack folder, DAO installers folder, and install folder. Okay, then click at the install folder. Okay, as you can see here, now you double click on the setup. Okay, as you can see, this is the welcome to the installation wizard for staadpro 2004, and then you click next. This you click yes for the agreement, and then for the username you can type anything that you want. Okay, for the serial number, okay, open the folder, the staadpro 2004 folder again, and then from here you can see the crack folder. So double click on the crack folder, and then you can see here the install note text document. Double click on the install text document. Okay, from here, as you can see the staadpro install progress. You can see for the number 2, there's when prompt use serial. So copy this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 A B C D E F G H. Copy and then go to the install shell again and paste it on in the serial number box. After that, you click next. Okay, now you have two options. Please choose local security. Next. Okay, here the HASP, Sentry, and software lock. Now you choose software lock. Okay, just click OK. And now you have one window about software license file. It will appear on your laptop or your computer. Please press or click no. Okay, now you can install like normal. Click next, English, next, and then this thing just take the normal way, next, and then for both thing you choose metric, next. Okay, now just wait for a while until the installation is done. As you can see, it not takes too much time, so just wait for a while until the installation end to 100%. Okay, as you can see here, it done 100%. Okay, just click OK, and then one window said that now you have to restart your computer or later. Please choose later because there's another thing that we have to set up for this software, to use this software. Okay, now please go to the start computer and then choose local DC. Okay, from here you can see that there's one folder named spro 2004. As you can see on this screen, sp 2004, and then double click on it. Okay, from here you can see all this document, right? So you go to the correct folder again and copy the std 2004 patch and patch w32.dll. Copy. After you copy it, you go to the spro 2004 folder again and then paste on it. If you have the folder, please choose copy and replace. Okay, once it's done, you double click on std 2004 patch and this thing will appear on your screen, and press OK, and it takes a few seconds for done the second installation. Okay, it's done. Please press OK. Okay, then the last step is you go to your local DC again, go to the Windows, and then find System 32. Okay, from here you can see too many folder in this thing, but don't touch anything. If not, there's will something happen in your laptop. Okay, now go to the crack again, and you can see here the ngwinsys.dll. So take this thing and then copy. After you copy that, this space in the system32 folder that you just opened just now. Okay, paste. Okay, there's already a file with the same name in this location, but just click copy and replace. Okay, done. Now you can use your staadpro software normally. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.